think many would agree, this is a very beautiful wedding dress. And today, we're gonna rip it apart. All of it. Find out why next. I am Megan.
I am Brenda.
And we are the Crafty Ladies. Did you really think we were gonna tear apart the dress with garden shears? A seam ripper will do. Today, we are starting a project that a friend has asked us to take on. They lost their daughter several years ago. They would like a way to honor her memory. So we are going to turn her wedding dress into some special mementos. So please help the channel by hitting the subscribe button, ring the notify bell, and add your comments for what you would like to see in future videos.
Here, let's get rid of those. We're not going to use them.
We're going to take this dress apart, layer by layer, seam by seam. Let's get started.
That's
okay.
All right.
We're gonna flip the skirt up and start from the bottom. We're gonna find our bottom layer underneath the slip and find the seam we want to start tearing out. Okay, and then you'll find the stitches and slide the ripper in through it. And then after you've gone a few, you can lay it down and find your opening on this side. You start your seam ripping on the tool side. You run risk of actually cutting your tool, not your stitch. Woohoo! Layer one is done. So, what we're gonna do next, we're gonna release the skirt back down. So our next steps are to take apart this seam. We're gonna split the bodice from the skirt. And then Mom and I are gonna have our homework assignments, and we're each gonna take a half and work on it individually, and we will come back together and show you what we've got.
Okay, so we want to take the bodice off here. So with a dress with this many layers in it, you got to get down underneath all of it to find your seam. And I think Megan's got it here. So here it is. And this is where we will be ripping it apart so that we can take pieces home.
And this seam is double layered, so I've worked through the bottom, I worked through the top, and it's released the bottom but there's still a bundle of fabric here together. So it's gonna take us longer than expected to get this torn apart.
Okay, you just keep peeling it back until you can get it apart like this, and right there's the bodice. So it's a lot of work, but just keep doing it, picking away.
We'll see you in the craft aisle.